keeps waking up.
Yeah, see, and you run down. That's probably why.
And he was.
We're doing a rat test today para malaman namin kung may COVID kami or wala.
You better not have that.
Ah, you want to.
Oh yeah.
It's different.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
You need the lights on. You gotta wash your hands. Oh, no, beautiful. Oh. Today. Beep beep.
Ayan na.
Beep beep.
Si ma'am yung nurse namin. Ma'am, you're our nurse.
Wash my hands.
Oh, I don't want to put it up my nose. Tingnan niyo ang haba niya. Oh no! Your happy grandma's here. Hey. Oh, because he wants to go outside.
When I was pushing you, he was pointing to the door.
You want to go outside? Outside? Outside. Hey, you say this first. I don't. You say it first. I don't. Say it. I. Say it. I.
That's it.
This beautiful life.
True,
Peel
had
off the almond
symptoms
foil,
pero ngayon
refill
parang
buffer tube.
gumagaling na siya.
Okay.
Kami,
Who's
grabe
first?
ang sakit na.
Who's first?
I'll go
Nitro.
first. I'll go first.
Alright. So, blow your nose first.
Blow my nose.
Yep. The tip, 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters up your nostril, so right up, right?
Jeez.
And then rotate the swab 5 times while stroking the inside of your nostril. Right? Rotate it. You know, twirl it in your fingers. Yeah? 5 times. That should take about 15 seconds. It should be up there. Then you'll take it out and do the second nostril.
15 seconds inside.
Yep, so up your nose as far as right up, and then rotate it while you're wiping your nostril about 5 times. Right up. Are you doing the side of the nose? No way. And now do the other one. Ooh. The other one. Put it
The other
up
side?
the other nostril. Yep, use the same swab, repeat the process with the second nostril.
Oh. Oh.
Alright, now insert the swab
Yep.
into the tube and put it straight into, right down to the bottom of the tube,
Yep.
right down, and rotate it 10 times, like, you know, it's full rotations.
Yep.
In 10 seconds while pressing the swab head against the side of the tube. Are you pressing it against the side of the tube?
What? Side of the tube? What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
like the swab head, make sure it's getting inside of the tube.
Oh, yeah.
So wait, don't move, don't do anything.
Yep.
While squeezing, I'll squeeze it. While squeezing this tube side, you remove the swab. You do.
Huh?
Remove the swab slowly. Yeah. Alright. Hold on, put it in there. Okay, what does it say? Place the dropper tip into there.
1, 2, 3.
3. Okay, now start the time for 15 minutes. 2
Buntis ka na.
minutes past 10. 2 minutes past 10. Yeah? Okay. Throw all that crap in here and then you go and wash your hands.
So positive is 2 lines.
2 lines is positive.
No, you're pregnant. Oh, did you put it like really high up?
Yeah.
Oh,
I know.
Yep.
Who's going to do nitro?
oh, I'm not gonna do it.
We're testing.
Ah, looks like positive already, Dwayne. Yep.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yep. Already.
Oh, you've got COVID. I can't believe it. My COVID.
well.
So
How's it,
that's
Shanta?
my COVID.
Oh my gosh, sa wakas. Buti na lang hindi na yung Nitro, don't touch it. Buti na lang hindi na yung grabe na variant yung meron tayo. Oh, baby Nitro.
Have the COVID.
Oh no.
Okay, mister. Shanta, you need to blow your nose and wash your hands.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
I had this
Oh, look
terrible
at that.
fever.
That means positive. And I've got 2 lines, so I am positive.
Oh no!
Sana enough all my COVID. Shan, how are you feeling?
Parang may allergy. Alam niyo yung parang nalunod? Ganon, masakit din dito, parang nalunod. How far?
Blowing your
up?
nose.
How far up?
About
Well,
2
depends how
centimeters.
big your nose is. 1.5 centimeters, Shanta. You got a tiny nose.
Wait. So, how long can I just hold it like where?
And you see the swab is? So that part has to go right up.
So, where do I hold it? Up here?
Or you hold
All
it
of
wherever you
that?
like. Wait, no,
No.
look. That's like 1 centimeter, right?
So,
So
up to where?
you'll know when to stop. Look at the end.
Just tell me.
You'll just hit the end. You'll know. Don't
Oh,
worry.
there! There's the thing. Look.
That doesn't go all the way up your nose.
Come on,
So,
Shan, do it.
wait. So where did you hold it? Like here?
Anxiety.
Just anywhere. It doesn't
Anywhere.
matter. Anywhere, just hold it and put it up your nose.
Doesn't matter where you hold the stick.
I don't know.
Shan, just do it. Come on, pull it up and put it up your nose.
Pull it out. Take it right up as far as you can go. Up higher, Shanta. I can still see the swab. Higher.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
And so rotate it. Go higher. I can still see the swab. Rotate it. Are you up high enough?
Yeah,
Are your
she's
eyes
up high.
free?
She's up high.
Yeah.
Alright, now the other side. Pull
Take
it
it
out
out.
and go on the other side.
May nga.
And are you scraping the side of your nose?
Higher,
Yeah.
Shan.
Higher.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, that's better. 5 times did you rotate it? Yeah. Alright.
Oh.
Now you're going to put it in there and you're going to put it down, right in, and rotate it 10 times, making sure it hits the side of the head. 10 times? Now don't pull it out yet. Okay, now pull it out.
Are you squeezing it?
Yes. Yeah. Pulling it out. Alright. Put it in the back of the nose.
Oh, good luck! May kapatid ka na!
Okay, now you're going to put 3 drops. Turn it upside down and put 3 drops in there.
Oh my gosh, how
Yeah,
many?
that's 2. Those 2 drops. 1 more. There you go.
Oh, I'm negative!
Yeah.
I knew it!
Today.
I knew it!
Right,
Because
negative.
You're negative
Positive.
today,
parang
but
may
if
allergy.
he's got it, you're going to get it. Are we
about-
doing baby or not?
Nah.
You're not
don't
going to do
worry.
baby?
No, he's not even that sick, really.
Yeah, but where did you get COVID?
Jim?
Well, must have.
He-
Well, he was sick.
He was sick Wednesday. But they went to the gym Monday, Tuesday. Did you go to
Yeah.
So he might have had it not test positive now.
Yeah.
It's been nearly a week.
Yeah.
But so you've got it from somewhere, but not us. You didn't get it from us.
Mom, 3 days.
So, nagka-COVID na yung magulang ko. Meron na sila, so okay na sila. Immune na
I'm negative.
for the next 3 months, I think.
It looks like you are.
Ganun yan ata.
Today.
Kung may COVID ka, you're immune to COVID for 3 months.
Just when I have
Well, I'm going to keep this down here, okay? Well, Byron, I'm going to keep this down here, And when you start to get symptoms, maybe test in
I can't be sick while you're sick because nobody's gonna take care of my child.
You can clean up your own mess, people.
Alright, thanks for that, Mum.
Oh, I'll
Take
drive.
the COVID stack.
I can go drive buy us groceries. I'll walk.
You have to isolate because he's got COVID. So
I'm
you
not
can't go
gonna.
anywhere.
No, he's fine. If I get COVID, I'll be fine. Cause
No,
he-
you can't go anywhere, Shan.
Oh yeah, because I'm close contact.
Yeah.
No, Mom, I was joking because I said I'm gonna drive to the groceries.
Maybe you and Hallie can do driving lessons together.
No, I'm scared. It's gonna be the end of
You
you.
want to come upstairs and see Grandpa?
I'll give Grandpa COVID again.
You can't get it again. He
You want to
just had
come
it.
upstairs?
Lululun magdadali.
I'm leaving this down here for you.
Wants to walk.
You're on upstairs to see Grandpa, yeah?
Come on.
I'm
Nitro?
negative. Did you take
Yes.
a picture of my face?
Yeah.
I wouldn't be too excited. It's coming. It's coming.
Hi, Nitro.
Bye,
Mom.
Nitro.
Bye, buddy.
See ya, Daddy.
Bye, Mum. For you.
Hallie's already had COVID, haven't you?
Yes.
Hey, buddy. Is Grandpa gonna test ya? Hey? Grandpa gonna test ya? You ready, buddy? Let's see if you have COVID. Hey, yeah.
Super spreader. The super spreader. Which one? Wiggle? Crazy frog? Dinosaur? Which one is you want? That one? Here it comes. Here it comes.
Who's that, Nitro? It's Nitro. Hey. Watching yourself on the TV? Who's that? Is that Daddy?
Alright.
Ready, buddy?
Ready? You're gonna love this, aren't you?
Daddy, help ya. Ready?
Ready?
Gotta shove this up your nose. I know it hurts, doesn't it, buddy? I know. Keep your head still. Oh. Yeah, I know it hurts, buddy. It hurts. Keep your head still. We gotta shove it up your nose. We gotta test ya. Oh.
Got him.
Oh,
We got
done.
him.
Oh, done. Oh, done. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, done. Oh, done. It's all done. It's okay. Dinosaur's fighting now, Troy. Dinosaur's fighting. Hey,
Who's that?
Nitro.
Who's that? Oh, the dinosaurs. Did you wash your hands first? No, it goes in here. That. Oh, have you already done it? Oh, okay.
Did
Did you already do it?
you drop the?
No, not yet.
How did he go? With the nose
No, he
stick?
complained a bit. He complained a bit,
He
didn't you?
complained less than his mother though, didn't he? Three drops?
Have a look, buddy.
His baby up.
It might be negative.
Looks like it.
We'll see.
It looks negative.
Yep.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Hey, Dwonder fam. So, ayan, we have COVID. Hey, baby boy. Hey, Nitro. You have COVID, don't ya? Yes, you do. But see, Nitro, parang he's feeling a bit better already. Parang he was the first to get sick, and then ako, nahawaan, and then Shanta, nahawaan. Yeah, but I didn't think you shoved the thing far enough up your nose. Shanta kasi, takot sa ano, sa swamp. Okay guys, well, thanks for watching. And we will...
Magsasabak ko ulit. Magsasabak ko ulit para makita ko kung ano, false negative.
Sana all. false negative char. Okay guys, we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Thanks for watching. And sana sa next video namin, we are gumaling na.
Magaling ka na nga eh.
Bye-bye!